In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move or copy a table to another Airtable base. This is really useful when you're reorganizing your workspace, splitting projects into separate bases, or reusing a table structure you've already built. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, and you can follow along in your own account. First, open the base that currently holds the table you want to move or copy. Make sure you're on the correct table inside that base, because that's the one we'll be syncing over to another base. At the top right of the screen, look for the option labeled Share and Sync. Go ahead and click that. This opens a panel where Airtable gives you options for sharing access or syncing data elsewhere. From that panel, choose Sync Data to another base. This tells Airtable that you want to pipe this table's data into a different base, effectively creating a copy that can stay in sync. You'll see some options appear where certain fields or sections might be highlighted. Click on the highlighted area to confirm the table and settings that Airtable is going to use for this sync. Think of this as locking in what exactly you're copying over. Now, head back to your Airtable homepage or workspace view. This is where you can see all of your bases. Find the other base where you want this table to live and click to open it. Inside that destination base, look for the Add or Import option near your existing tables and select it. This is where you bring new tables into the base. From the list of import options, choose Airtable Base. This tells Airtable that you're not importing from a CSV or another app, but directly from an existing base. Next, click Select a Base. A list of your bases will appear. Choose the base that contains the original table you want to copy. For example, you might see something like Untitled Base if you haven't renamed it yet. Click that base. Then click Select a Table and pick the specific table you want to bring over, such as an example table. After that, click Select a View and choose Grid View, or whichever view holds the data you want copied. Once those are set, click Next, then Next again to confirm the sync settings, and finally click Create Table. Airtable will now create a new table in your destination base, pulling in the data from the original table and keeping it synced going forward.